Hello friends, welcome back. I'm Sneha and it's been a long time that I haven't shared any videos, but anyways I'm back and soon I'm going to share with you tons of videos that will benefit your skin, hair and also your health. So today I'm going to share with you 3 nourishing olive oil face packs that will bring an intense glow on your face, that will improve the lustre, the texture and clarity of your skin, that will fade spots and marks and will also improve their complexion. So let's find out what are those 3 olive oil face packs. All you have to do is you need olive oil. So the first thing that you need is olive oil. So this is extra virgin olive oil. So you have to use extra virgin olive oil to get good results. So I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of this extra virgin olive oil. 1 small teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil. To this I'm going to add is honey. So around half a teaspoon of honey. Now the third ingredient that I'm going to add is optional. Now if you have oily or acne prone skin or normal skin, you can add a 1/4 of lemon juice, freshly squeezed 1/4 lemon juice, or you can add potato juice. So this is for dry and sensitive skin and also for normal and combination skin type. So what you have to do is take 1 potato, just wash it thoroughly, grate it and then extract the fresh potato juice. So this is around 1 big teaspoon of potato juice. Now those with oily or acne prone skin, you can also use potato juice or lemon juice, but those with dry and sensitive skin, you have to use potato juice. I'm going to add half a teaspoon of potato juice. Now mix it well. I'll tell you how to use it to get best results. So what you have to do is just take a cotton pad or a cotton ball. Applying this, make sure that your face is completely clean. Then what you have to do is just take this cotton pad and soak into the solution and apply this on your face like this. So after you have applied, just massage lightly in a circular motion for 1 minute and then reapply this solution. So after you have applied the solution, let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes and then just wipe off with a moist damp cotton ball and then rinse off with cool water. Olive oil nourishes your skin. It is extremely rich in antioxidants and essential fatty acids. Apart from that, it also contains a good amount of vitamin E and vitamin K. So it brings a healthy glow on your face. And lemon juice or potato juice, they contain vitamin C that reduces spots and marks, and also it improves complexion. And honey keeps your skin soft, smooth and supple. So use this mask twice or thrice in a week. Moving on to the second olive oil face pack. So for this you need same thing, that is your extra virgin olive oil. So you need 1 small teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil. Now the next thing that I'm going to add is optional. Like those with oily or acne prone skin, use curd instead of milk, and those with dry, sensitive, combination or normal skin type, you can use milk. So I'm going to add around 1 small teaspoon of milk. And the final most important ingredient that I'm going to add is wild turmeric powder. So it's not the normal turmeric, it's wild turmeric powder, also known as kasturi turmeric. You have to add 2 pinches of wild turmeric powder. Now mix it well. So what you have to do is just apply this all over your face and neck like this. Now this turmeric won't stain your skin yellow like the regular or the normal turmeric does. So once it absorbs completely, let it sit for 30 to 40 minutes. If you want, you can also use it as a nighttime moisturizer. Now this is an ideal, nourishing, healthy mask for those with dry and sensitive skin. And if you're using it as a nighttime moisturizer, it will bring tremendous glow and it will improve the fairness of your skin. Now during the winter, I personally use this face mask and it's one of my favorite. It brings a tremendous glow on my face and also my skin looks more young and it also gives me an even and bright skin tone. So for this you need just 2 ingredients. So the first ingredient that you need is olive oil. So as usual you need 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Now the next most important ingredient that I'm going to add is your egg yolk. So not the egg white, the egg yolk I'm going to add. This is a skin whitening, skin tightening and skin rejuvenating face mask. So I've separated the egg white. So I'm going to add the egg yolk. So your mask is ready. What you have to do, just with the help of a brush, apply this mask onto your clean face. Apply 2 to 3 layers, then let it sit for around 30 to 45 minutes and then wash off with cool water. This mask will enhance your loose sagging skin and will boost your facial fairness. So you have to use this mask twice in a week for best results. So these were the 3 simple and yet so effective olive oil face masks that you can try at home. So try any one of this face masks that best suits your skin type and share your results with me. So thanks everyone. Take care and bye-bye.